Welcome to FeTW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates, 20th July 2026. Hi, I'm Aditya. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at USD 99.35 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 0.85% from the previous settlement of USD 100.20 per ton. The contract traded within a relatively narrow range of USD 99.30 to 100.50 per ton, indicating cautious market sentiment after failing to sustain levels above the $100 per ton mark. The decline was primarily driven by weaker demand expectations in China, where persistent rainfall in southern regions and extreme heat in the north continued to disrupt construction activity and suppress seasonal steel demand. In addition, blast furnace utilization fell below 90%, steel mill profitability eased to around 37%, and weaker rebar and HRC futures signaled subdued downstream steel consumption. On the supply side, high port inventories in China and steady export flows from Australia and Brazil kept the seaborne iron ore market well supplied, limiting any significant upside in prices and reinforcing the bearish tone in SGX futures. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market showed a mixed trend today, with prices remaining varied across different regions due to uneven demand conditions and cautious market sentiment. While some markets witnessed price stability supported by selective buying and improved inquiries, others faced pressure due to limited transactions and competitive pricing. Traders continue to adopt a cautious approach, balancing inventory levels with uncertain demand conditions. Overall, the market remained range-bound, with regional price movements reflecting a combination of demand recovery and ongoing market challenges. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,700 to 8,350 per ton. Pellet price is up by 50 to 100 rupees. Sponge pellet sponge trading levels around 23,800 to 23,900. Prices stable. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 38,000 to 38,100. Prices down by 50 to 100 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,700 to 39,800 for the grade FE 500. Price is stable. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 44,000 to 45,000. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.